Hello, students. We hope you're doing all right. Ignite, we have a pre-assessment to do this week so that we can focus on what is needed during the last weeks of Q4. There's a short but powerful poem. If you do not understand the questions, try finding a line of text that you think would apply to the situation. Chunk, read through the Google Doc to find the poem. Listen to Viola Davis read the poem. Read the text while she talks. Chew on it. Read the questions. If you are struggling, find a line of text that you think would apply to the situation. Review. Please click on the link below. This is what it will look like. There's a 4-box. Langston Hughes recites Viola Davis. It's really good. Mother to Son by Langston Hughes. There's the poem. It's really short, but really, really, really good. 4 questions. All right, and let's see the directions on here. Q4 Poetry Pre-Assessment. Assignment directions. Read the poem that appears below this 4-box, Mother to Son by Langston Hughes, and then answer the questions in the 4 boxes. There are audio links you should listen to as you read the poem. Please read the poem at least 3 times so that you feel you are understanding the poem's meaning. 1. How do you know this text is a poem? Support your thinking with specific evidence from the text or about the text. I think this, about like length and things like that, what it looks like on the page. I think this text is a poem because the specific evidence that makes me think this is 2. What is the technique, alliteration, rhyme, personification, etc. the author uses in this poem? Why did the author use this technique? I think a technique, alliteration, rhyme, personification, etc. the author used in the poem is, and I think the author uses this technique because. 3. How does the poem's structure or form contribute to the meaning of the poem? I think the poem's structure or form contributes to the meaning of the poem by. 4. What is a symbol within this poem? What is a bigger idea could represent? I think a symbol within this poem is, I think this symbol represents a bigger idea of, and audio link, Viola Davis, Mother to Son by Langston Hughes. Please click on the link below and make a copy. Q4 assessment pre and post as a Google Doc. Thank you, students.